All right, let's run through another Mtel question. This one says a circle with circumference of 16 pi is constructed on a coordinate grid. The center of the circle is located at 5, 5. Which of the following coordinates could be point located on the circle? All right, so I think radius is pretty important to this situation because wherever this point is located, it's going to be a radius away from the center because every point on the circle is a radius away from the center point. If we think about, so let's just plot this quick. Let's think about where this is. So we've got a point at 5, 5, and then if we draw some circle, I don't even want to draw it really because I don't know. The circumference is 16 pi. It's going to be easier to draw when I know how big the radius is. So let's come up with a way to represent the radius of this situation. So the formula for the circumference of a circle is C equals 2 times pi times r. So since we know that the circumference is 16 pi, and that equals 2 pi r, we can solve for r by just dividing by 2 pi. So the pi's are going to cancel. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So our radius is 8 here. So now I know that if I draw a radius 8 units from our center, that's going to be how big our circle is. This is 5 up, so let's go 3 below the x-axis, and then also 3 to the left here. And our circle should look, something like this. It's going to be pretty big. Not the best picture. Not super circular, but I think you get the idea. Has a radius of 8. So if we look at our points, 3 of the points have 5s in them, which is useful because that means they're straight either up and down from the center or left to right from the center, right? Like if 5 is our x value, we don't have to change the x value. So that it has the same x value. So A goes in the same place, the same x direction, so not left or right from our center, and it goes straight down to -3. Well, that's this point right here that I already plotted. So I can already tell that the answer is A. If we look at the rest of these points, they're not 8 away from the center, so our answer must be A.